Hello friends, today we learn and write 10 lines on my hobby. My hobby is reading. Reading has been my hobby since my childhood. There is a small library in my study room. In my library, there are about 500 storybooks. It is a peaceful hobby. I spend my leisure time reading all types of books. One can read a book almost everywhere and anytime. Books makes me wise and keep me away from bad habits. Reading improves my vocabulary and knowledge. I like my hobby very much.
थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स। अगर हमारी वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें।
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.